Namaskar for Cine Girl viewers. My name is Radhika and my movie is going to be released in February. So please come and have fun and enjoy our movie. My movie is marked by engineering student. Hope you will all love it. Thank you so much. I'm from Mumbai and born and brought up in Delhi. I'm English honors BA diploma in computer. I used to do so much plays in my school and theaters and was actually very much interested in acting line. From Delhi to Bombay, I've shifted. From past 4 years, I'm in Mumbai, and one of my producer, Krishna Swami, they both come to Mumbai, and they audition there. And I was actually very lucky that director जो मेरे हैं उन्होंने मुझे actually chance दिया to move into Telugu industry and it's basically a very beautiful love story. It's actually very beautiful love story and I'm playing a very homely family girl जो एक विलेज में रहती है, अपने डैड से बहुत प्यार करती है, अपनी फैमिली से बहुत प्यार करती है and hero is in love with me, but me actually love my family. My priority is my family actually in this movie and the whole picture is actually, you can say, surrounded on me. 5 songs are there in this movie and one song is the whole song is on me, that is Krishna Ashtami song and which is very beautifully picturized and Tara mastered. I am actually very new to this industry and to these people, but these whole characters like very cooperative. My director as well, my producers, who played my father, Siddharth, everyone supported me so much on the set. So it was very like family sa tha. The locations are very beautiful. You can say like Arku Valley जब हम लोगों ने shoot किया, it was actually beautiful hill station. We were shooting in very tribal area. For me, it was actually an experience. I've never been to those places. That is a unforgettable moment for me as well. And though I got a chance to, this is my first movie as such. So in my first movie, I've been to whole Andhra almost. As my directors, like this is also, you can say for my director also, it's a first movie as in director. I didn't find him a new kind of a person. Like I can't say that first time he's directing. He's actually quite experienced. उनसे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मुझे खुद मिला. मतलब मेरे डायरेक्टर्स, मेरे जो को-एक्टर्स थे, बहुत हेल्प किया मुझे. They were so good to me on the set. In this movie, my favorite song is obviously Krishna Ashtami song, which is one of my favorite songs. I really loved, and though I don't speak Telugu, I don't understand Telugu so much, but still I can still sing the song, the Telugu song, the whole song I can sing. So I still remember the lyrics, the best part. As I said, director और producers बॉम्बे आए थे and audition वहाँ किया. काफ़ी लोगों का, लड़कियों का audition वहाँ पर हुआ था. So when I in fact through someone, one of my friend ने रेफरेंस दिया था इनको मेरा कि that there is a girl called Radhika and please meet her and audition her. So he liked my audition and somewhere me was also lucky. So that's how I got the chance and very quickly within 2 days they took a decision. Yes, Naga Siddharth के लिए मैं सिर्फ इतना बोलना चाहती हूँ that he is gem of the person, like he is my first hero and he was very cooperative on the set, very cooperative. Like though he can speak English also and he can speak little bit Hindi also. So अगर कुछ सीन समझ में नहीं आता था तो he is like अच्छा ऐसे नहीं ऐसे करने का, ऐसे नहीं ऐसे करने का. तो he was very supportive and he actually helped me a lot on the set. And to be very frank, अगर जो मेरे co-actors हैं अगर वो सब मेरे साथ नहीं होते और इतना cooperate नहीं करते तो शायद थोड़ा मुश्किल होता मेरे लिए. It's just a Telugu language का एक है. Otherwise, I know. I just need blessings, and I'll try to learn Telugu as माई डैड वॉज लाइक, मैंने मेरे डैड के साथ, आई स्टिल रिमेंबर, जो मेरे डैड का कैरेक्टर कर रहे हैं उनके साथ हमने एक सीन किया था राजमंड्री में. सो वहाँ पर एक दो सीन में था जो मुझे, आई वॉज एक्चुअली ब्लैंक, समझ में नहीं आ रहा था वो सीन कैसे करना है. तो उन्होंने मुझे बिठाया आराम से एंड दे सेड दिस इज द मोमेंट, दिस हाउ यू हैव टू वॉक एंड दिस हाउ यू हैव टू कम इनसाइड एंड दिस. सो as I said, like सब लोग इतना, in fact this sir like who's my another hero भरत. So मेरे जितने co-actors हैं, in fact जो सिद्धार्थ's mom who's playing सिद्धार्थ's mom character, जितने लोग हैं like they really helped me a lot on the set. जब भी जिनके साथ भी मेरा जो भी scene हुआ है, सबने अपने अपने तरीके से मुझे help किया. And I'm very very happy that I got a chance to work with these senior actors. I personally love this movie. It's not because that I am the heroine of this movie and that is why I'm saying it is actually a beautiful movie, and I'm sure you all enjoy this movie as well as the music. Because see, you can always go with your family and you can't find our movie cheap and vulgar. This is actually very family kind of a movie. बच्चा, baby can enjoy, elder can enjoy, a young generation can enjoy. I mean थोड़ा सब कुछ है, fun, comedy, थोड़ा सीरियस इमोशन, सब कुछ है. सो आई नो आई कैन से इट्स अ पक्का मसाला मूवी टाइप्स. एंड मेरा जो एक्सपीरियंस है इस मूवी का, लाइक हम लोग बहुत फन करते थे नॉर्मली, स्पेशली जब हम हाड़कू वैली में रुके थे तो वहाँ पर एक केव जैसा था, मतलब रुकना तो थोड़ा स्कैरी सा भी था, बट इट वाज लाइक वेरी गुड एक्सपीरियंस वर्किंग विद all of them. मेरे जो कैमरामैन सर थे, he was also like कुछ नहीं आता था समझ में तो हेल्प करना कैसे क्या. एंड हमारा जो एक सीन हुआ, लाइक मैं मेरे डैडी को पानी के अंदर नंगे पाँव ढूंढ रही हूँ. दैट वाज वेरी फनी इंसिडेंट एक्चुअली. बार बार पानी में गिर रहे हैं हम लोग और आई कैन से बहुत मजा आया. वो स्पेशली वो सीन करने में तो मुझे बहुत मजा आया. मतलब वो इतना पानी है और वी आर जस्ट रनिंग इन द वाटर एंड गिर रहे हैं, उठ रहे हैं और वो लोग मुझे उठा रहे हैं. एंड यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज से, माय हीरो ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू से, क्या खाती है तू, क्या खाती है, लाइक यू बिकम सो फैटी. सो इट वाज लाइक बहुत मजा आया. इट वाज वेरी फनी एंड it was great experience for me, seriously. I really enjoyed working with these people. Production people are actually very nice. I mean, to be very frank, कभी भी मुझे किसी चीज़ की प्रॉब्लम होने ही नहीं दी. मतलब अगर मैं कुछ एक्सपेक्ट करती थी कि मुझे ये चाहिए विद इन अ 2 मोमेंट, मुझे नेक्स्ट मोमेंट लाइक हाँ ठीक है ये आपके पास है, तो मुझे कभी, इनफैक्ट मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं हुई इस सेट पे. मुझे लगा ही नहीं कि लाइक मैं नई हूँ तो मुझे नए के साथ ट्रीट कर रहे हैं. और इनफैक्ट फॉर माई स्पॉट बॉय टू माई डायरेक्टर, प्रोड्यूसर, माई एक्टर्स, दे everyone was like very nice to me, very nice to me. Next project, actually see, everyone wants to do a Bollywood movie, so my is like, yeah, I'm doing one Hindi movie, but I don't want to disclose now because I didn't sign till yet. So maybe March, end of March or April first week, I'll do this project. So my favorite hero is Salman Khan, and I mean in Bollywood industry, obviously he's my, you can say he's my crush, he's my love or whatever. I mean I have no problem saying that I am in love with Salman. Of course I love Salman, and yes, here I like Mahesh Babu. So if I'll get a chance with Mahesh Babu, so would definitely love to work with them. Telugu girls is like, I don't think so. I mean maybe अच्छी actresses भी हैं, जैसे Bollywood में if you'll ask, I don't watch so much Telugu movies now. I'm actually, nowadays I started watching Telugu movies. I normally watch Hollywood and Bollywood movies. Though I watch all kind of movies, but Telugu, to be very frank, nowadays I started watching because I am also part of it now. So now the Telugu, I'm a Telugu heroine. This is my first break, you can say. So Telugu is now become my language as well. In fact, I'm learning also Telugu, but actress का थोड़ा मुश्किल है बोलना because I really don't want to say anything on actress part. I really don't know anyone so much. I mean, as an actor, so it's no point of saying कि this actor is better and this is much better than her. So it's better not to say anything on this part. Or if you'll ask me, Bollywood actress, so I can say Kajol is my favorite. There is as such no dream role. See, I am basically an actor. So अगर मुझे चांस मिलता है तो मैं हर रोल को अपने ड्रीम की तरह करना चाहूँगी. सी एवरी रोल इज अ ड्रीम. जो आपने कभी नहीं प्ले किया है, आप अगर वो रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं, दैट इज अ ड्रीम. आई मीन आपका एक योर ड्रीम इज लाइक व्हाट इज योर ड्रीम. जो आप सोचते हैं दैट इज अ ड्रीम. सो मैं कुछ भी सोच कर कि नहीं मुझे ये करना है, ये कैरेक्टर होना चाहिए या यही कैरेक्टर मेरे लिए बेटर है, आई डोंट थिंक सो. मैं ऐसा कुछ सोच रखती हूँ. मेरे लिए ये है कि वॉट एवर यू डू इट फ्रॉम योर हार्ट. दिल से करो. एंड रोल का ऐसा स्पेसिफिकली नहीं है कुछ कि मुझे लाइक आई वॉन्ट टू डू स्मिता पाटिल टाइप रोल, और दो स्मिता पाटिल इज अनदर ऑफ माई फेवरेट हीरोइन. बट इट्स नॉट लाइक कि मुझे उनके जैसा करना है या मुझे काजोल जैसा करना है. गेट माई ओन आइडेंटिटी. सो made to, I mean, you can understand what I mean to say. I mean, I'm ready to play any kind of role. So there is nothing as such dream role types. Really desperately waiting to get this movie released. Come and watch this movie. This is going to be released in Feb first week. I hope you will all enjoy our movie. I'm pretty sure about it.